For Project 1, I ended up revising a large majority of both the text and the video. I actually changed my research question and hypothesis to better fit my results in secondary research. This is because my first question and hypothesis made it difficult to relate research and draw solid conclusions. Once this was done, I found it much easier to revise and polish this report. I added more detail to the methods, limitations, and rearranged parts of my conclusion. This is because I was able to find a better flow for my audience to understand. For my video, I changed almost the entire thing. This is because I felt that it was actually really boring and I wanted my audience to believe my topic was interesting. I added pictures to a few of the slides for my audience to be able to focus on something visually other than more words. I believe this added more life and interest to my presentation. I also added an extra graph in the video that I did not in my report. I did this because I wanted the audience to visually capture the higher rates from this study compared to others. The same information is given in the report, but I felt this was a better way to present my information for the video. For my reflection, I added a slide that further explained the differences of my video and report in analyzing rhetorical situation. Overall, I felt this project needed a lot of work, but now I feel confident in the revision and I feel I better meet the criteria of the prompt. For Project 2, I did not find nearly as many things to revise. I had a few typos and sentences that weren't quite polished, but those were easy fixes. In my cover letter, I added the amount I was asking for within the first sentence for my audience to know right away what I was asking. For my video, I did not change any of the script because I knew I was already pushing my time limit and I was actually overall satisfied with the information I verbally presented. On my 11th slide, I added a written section of more detailed steps. I did this for clarification and to provide a more thorough plan for my audience. I did feel like this was a lot of text for just one slide, but I also felt it necessary to put it all. For my reflection, I added more verbal information and personalizing detail that referenced more of my proposal. I did this to add more character to my proposal reflection so people will know exactly what project I did and what I'm referring to. Overall, I can see the differences in detail in my two projects and I'm grateful to be able to revise them and be able to present them again new and improved.